Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zaim Haikal bin Muhammad Zani, student of game design. So this is what I prepare for user interface design CGD413 for my game Journey of the Last Descendant. So Journey of the Last Descendant is about a main character that named Kucing, but he is a tiger cub. So Kucing is going on a journey that will change his life forever. After living a peaceful life in the human city, he need to go on a journey to discover the reason of his uniqueness. Being the sole hire of the tiger tribe, he need to recover his tribe long lost abilities throughout the jungle kingdom. There he will be facing a lot of challenges and need to find mentor and companions to help him on his adventure. So next is the game concept. So the game concept is on the genre that is adventure, fantasy and magic. There is magic in this game because the animal tribe has all kind of skills and abilities depending on their tribe. If tiger tribe, they can learn the other animal abilities. If the gorilla tribe, they have the strength ability, such as all of that lah. So the protagonist here is Kucing. So this is Kucing, the tiger cub. It is designed like this. It looks like a cat, but it has the color of a tiger. So the main enemy here is the Jasper the fox. Later he will become his friend. Then he gonna betray Kucing at the end of the game. So motivation in this game is Kucing need to find friends and mentor to help him in his journey. So then we go to obstacles. There are evil mobs such as the Dakin. So the Dakin is the evil spirit that combine with the animals there, that possess the animal there. Such as there can be a gorilla that possessed by the evil spirit, so they are called Dakins. So the setting here is at the jungle kingdom mostly. So it also at the beginning of the game we can explore the human city, but it just in the beginning of the game. Later after the game, the player have finished the game, you can come back to the human city to explore more lah. So next, the goal of this game is for Kuching to recover his lost tiger bloodline. So the tiger bloodline is one of the bloodline that can become the king in the jungle kingdom. So this is the main objective here, lah, the main goal here. So the UI design interface here will be referred from these games. So this first two picture is from the game Tale of Immortal. So this is the kind of UI that gonna be used. Then the below one is from the Hero's Adventure. You can see the design here. So we're gonna go to how I design my user interface design. So here is the main menu the UI for the main menu that I create for the game. So you can see the design is like this. So I'll put it on the right side because you can enjoy the game scene here. So the first one is the new game, like the standard one, new game, then load game, option, credit, and quit game. So you can press here to start a new game. Then you can go to load game to load your save folder. Then you can go to option to adjust your video and audio to your preferability. Then you can go to credit where you can see the name of the developers who contribute to this game. Then this one is quit game. You can quit the game. So in the game, you can see there's toolbar here. So I separate the toolbar to two kind of side. So on the right side, you can see I split it into two. So the above one, the top one is for the sun. So the below one, the bottom one is for the moon. So this is the time here. So you can see it is for the time. It gonna the bar here gonna rotate to like a clock. You're gonna move 360. Yeah. So you can see the time in the game. So this is the health. I put here, put in the left side, so you can see the health of the character here. Then you have a mana bar. Here you have fame bar. So in the kingdom, I plan it that you can go from village to village, so you can interact with the NPC. So the fame here will be can be charged to full. If you have a good reputation with the NPC, you're gonna get a better fame, and the villagers and the NPC gonna know you and respond to you better, if then if you have lower fame lah. So here's your coin. You can interact with the NPC to buy your items and skills lah. So next we're gonna go to the next UI, that is battle start. So you can see it is simple. If you find any enemy NPC here like this companion character, so you can there will be battle begin if you interact them in a bad way. If you try to ambush them, if you try to fight them, they're gonna be this kind of segment in the scene. So we move next to the battle grid. If you decided to start the battle, uh, your screen will have this battle grid that you can move here. So your character can only move on the appeared grid on your screen. This is how far you can go and how far you can retreat lah. So there's an option for attack, run and defend. Attack is for attack, run if you want to escape, defend if you want to defend against the enemy attack. Then if you finish the battle sequence, you're gonna go through this loading screen. I created this loading screen that this is gonna be the loading. So you can see there's a frame like a mountain here. So I'm gonna show the aesthetic of the game through the loading here. Then we go to the pause menu. So for the pause menu, I design it like this, so player can have a proper pause menu that easy to interact with the pause menu. So you have the resume button here. If you just pause, then you want to resume, just press the resume. Then if you we have option, so you can go to audio setting, video setting, subtitles, things like that. We're gonna go through that later. Then you have a save button. If you want to save your files, you want to save your game and put it in a folder file, in a save folder. Then you have a quit button. If you want just to go out from the game, it's better for player to save first then quit. Then for the last one, I have a design for the pause menu. If you press the option button here, then you can go to the pause menu. The pause menu here. So we have video, audio, subtitle like I said before. So for the video, so this is the bar that you can drag. If you go to the left, it's gonna be lower. If you if you drag it to the right, it's gonna be a higher quality video. Same for the audio. Drag it to the left, it has lower volume. Drag it to the right, you have a louder volume. So you can tick for the subtitle. I put it in a tick box. So if you want it on, just tick the on box. If you want it off, just tick in on the off box. So here you're gonna go back to, if you press back here, you're gonna go to the pause menu just before lah. So I'm gonna say thank you for all the ones that watching. This is it from me, user interface design for my game, Journey of the Last Descendant.